go. All right. Next to here with you on a 2016 Ram 3500 Duallie crew cab. So that's a long box, but there's no box. It's a flatbed. So here's the miles on this one. It's got 95,000 miles on it. Hopefully you can see that. Let me just zoom in there a little bit. Woo! Okay. Sorry, having fun. And hey, you gotta have fun in my job, or it'll eat you up. All right, here we go. Alrighty, down the side, looking good. Sorry for the sun being so bright. Duallie Bessler flatbed on it. It was purchased new here at Snowy Mountain Motors and traded locally back to us. And there's that little bit of scratch right there, just letting you know. Again, in the interior, just to kind of be able to see it and get a feel for it. Back seat's good. Tires are not great, but not bad. I mean, they're not new. But that also might be something we can rectify if you're interested in this one. There's a little scratch right here, if you can see that. There's a little bit of ding right there. Just pointing it out. But still, a beautiful truck. And if you're looking for a duallie with a flatbed and you need the diesel, here's your rig at Snowy Mountain Motors. You'll love it. My name is Nick Skiba.